Hey guys, Tony, good morning. So this isn't really a big video about like, TA or news or anything. It's more of a, quick update that, yesterday or really this last big push that we had from, in the last week from October 13th up until, yesterday when we almost hit, we did hit 63K in a lot of in different exchanges, right? But there were 50,000 50,000 traders who were short on Bitcoin and they got absolutely liquidated. I think there was a overall $211 million liquidation that happened from October 13th to October 16th, which is absolutely insane. Again, I'm short all the time, right? I'm short all the time. I'm long all the time. Um, there have been times that I've gotten liquidated, that my shorts haven't gone the way that I wanted to, but it's always been short term, right? It's never been, if we're in a run like this, more than usually, I'm at the bottom of this run going to the upside, right? But still, that's pretty insane. $211 million of liquidation to 50,000 different people, or at least 50,000 different accounts that got liquidated in the span of 2 days. It's just insane that just like that, all that money from one side to the other got transferred in the span of what 48 hours. It's still crazy to me to see how much money is actually moving around on a daily basis on just one crypto. That's one crypto. I can't imagine like all the other cryptos and all the other stocks and futures and and minis and just what is it called? Um, fucking, I can't think of the word, but like gold, silver, commodities and stuff, right? So I can't imagine how much money on a daily basis is actually being traded back and forth between just every single different kind of pair that you can imagine. So it's just insane to think about, to imagine how many billions, if not trillions of dollars are traded on a daily basis, and how big the volume is. So I'll see you guys later. Just a thought. Bye bye.